Hi guys, in this video you're going to learn some clothes in Japanese. I'm going to show you a picture of a male model from Iran. Then I will pinpoint to his clothes. So let's see what he's wearing. He's wearing a shatsu, a shirt. Then the next thing is a necktie, which is necktie in Japanese. After that, we can see him wearing his pants, which is zubon or pantsu in Japanese. His pants are tied with a belt, which is beruto. And the last thing we can see for today is that he is wearing a sunglasses, which is sungurasu. And that's it for today. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos in the future. See you on the next lesson. Bye bye.